Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to download GIF from Google. So let's get started. First of all, it's a very simple things to do. What you need to do, you want a Google Chrome browser. Then from the browser you need to search for the keyword you want the GIF from. Just type in, like I want a YouTube GIF, so I will type YouTube, then tap on the plus icon, then tap the plus and write GIF, 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 like that. Then tap on the search, and as you can see, we have more option. You need to go to the images section, and right from here on the top bottom left corner, you are seeing there are lots of GIFs. So I want this GIF. Okay, so I will tap on that one. Let's just wait for it to load. I think it's loading right now, and as you can see, it's loaded and the GIF is now on your ahead. So now right click onto that GIF and tap on the save image as, then click on save. So now as you can see, my GIF has been downloaded. So if you are on your mobile phone, you need to tap and hold to find this kind of option on your mobile phone. So you need to just tap and hold. Okay, so just tap and hold and you will get the save image as option. All right, after that you need to, let's just open up our GIF, and as you can see, the GIF is now working. So if I want to use this GIF, I will go to that, and let's just open up a PowerPoint slide. Okay, here is my GIF. Just drag and drop right here, and as you can see, the GIF is now working perfectly. So that's it for today, guys. If this video helps you out, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.